So let's check it again. I don't have any NFTs on my wallet right now. So let's go to OpenSea.io. Just click on uh, any of the collection. Now let's click on it, and here's the details. Now let's click on it, and let's copy the address and paste it here, and click fetch from collection. So here it is. We have fetch this collection from OpenSea.io. So that's how we can fetch the collection. Now let's fetch any particular address. How we can do that? Let's open any transaction. Let's check the transaction name, which is, yes, is transfer from. So let's get the address of the user to whom this NFT is transferred. Click on it. Here is the address of this user. Just copy it, and let's see. Remove this, and now add the wallet address, and let's check. Okay, so here it is. This user have 6 NFTs. Let's just cross check. I think no. Which one? I think this one. I think we have there's this NFT. I think this one. You can check that. This is the same address of uh, this is the same address of the contract address that we have. This one. Yes. So let's move on to the instructions. I think it's completed. Okay. Next, we now return the NFT card for NFT displaying information, and there you go. We have now working. We have a working NFT gallery. So now let's add some fun challenges for us to try on our own before we submit our project. So let's do these challenges.